Welcome back to yellowpagesocial.com. In this video, we're going to show you part two in domain forwarding. In the previous video, we showed you how to set up your .us domain and point it and forward it to another domain and or website address. In this video, we're going to show you how to add a subdomain and point it. In this case, we're actually going to create a subdomain called facebook.americanpridedomains.us, and we're going to forward that subdomain to our Facebook page for American Pride Domains, which is our Facebook tab for American Pride Domains. So we're going to show you how to do that. First of all, you're going to go to yellowpagesocial.com. You're going to come down here. You'll see an account link and click on account. And again, if you have any trouble logging in, can't remember your username and password, you can simply call our 24/7 support line. Is 480-624-2500. Simply give them your domain name. They'll ask you some personal login information. Hopefully you wrote that down somewhere, saved it on notes in your smartphone. You'll click on my account. It'll bring you in to your account. Your account page will look something like this. You're going to click on domains. It will bring you to your domain page. You simply want to scroll down, find the domain you want to work with, go over and click on launch. When you click on launch, it will bring you to a page that looks like this. And in here you'll see you can organize, there's locking, there's cache in, upgrade. Anytime you have any questions about how any of this stuff works, you can simply call our 24/7 support line at 480-624-2500, and they'll be more than happy to walk you through the process and answer any questions that you might have. Coming back here, you'll notice that in the previous video we showed you how to set up forwarding by clicking here, going to domain forwarding, setting it up. This one is going to work. Go down to the bottom, and down in the bottom you'll see forward subdomains 252 available. So I can create 252 subdomains on my American Pride domain. So I'm going to click add, and it's going to bring me to this page. You'll say add a subdomain. A subdomain is basically a domain that goes in front of your primary domain and replaces the www. So www is actually a subdomain. This is where we're going to forward our domain to. So first of all, we're going to put Facebook in here. I just want to call this Facebook. So it's going to be Facebook. So the URL would look like http://facebook.americanpridedomains.us. You can do a lot of cool things in here. Let's say, for instance, you have several different sales reps, and you want to have your sales rep want to have their own domain. So you could put their name in here, like John or Susan or Jim, or any page that you want to redirect so that you know. So if somebody asks you for a domain, say you're a plumbing supply company, and you have a Facebook page or a website page, Facebook page, website page, whatever it is, that's dedicated to selling PVC pipes. So in here you could put pvc.joesamericanplumbing.us or joesplumbing.us. So you could put pvc.joesplumbing.us. This can be used for a myriad of things. You can put a list on your website of all the different links. You can use it for links. You can use it for memory. You can tell somebody simply go to pvc.joesplumbing.us or whatever you want to do for forwarding that domain. So in this case, we've got facebook.americanprides.us. We're going to forward it here, our Facebook page. Now let's jump over and take a look at Facebook and see what we've got going on here. Now this, again, we're showing you what Facebook looks like logged out. Up here in the top, you'll see this is our Yellow Pages Social Facebook URL, facebook.com/Yellow Pages Social. We went down and we created this tab for our US domains, for American Pride domains, which gives us a tab that looks like this. And you'll notice, and this is just on a caveat here, you'll notice that this Facebook page looks just like our website page. And this is an application that we have available. It's called Social Reflections. So you can actually go to yellowpagesocial.com, click on the Social Reflections tab, and it'll take you right to the information. We've got a really cool system, a really cool application program that will duplicate and mirror, basically, reflections, social reflections that will reflect your website. Any changes, anything you do on your website will automatically reflect onto your Facebook page. Now, that was sort of my commercial. Now back to the subdomain forwarding. As you'll notice up here, this tab, this Facebook tab, which is Yellow Pages Social American Pride Domains, has a long URL. So rather than try to remember this URL, I'm simply going to copy this, come back to my domain manager. I'm going to paste it in here, and again we're going to scroll all the way over because we want to make sure this stuff is gone here. We're going to change this to HTTPS because Facebook pages are HTTPS. So once we've done all that, we're going to hit OK. And for those of you that saw the previous video, it says between an hour and 48 hours for this to take place. So this should basically say the same thing. Once this updates, it says add, and then we've got 251 more domains that we can do. So your subdomain would be facebook.americanpridedomains.us is forwarded to that Facebook page. We're going to click OK. And again, that's going to take between an hour and 48 hours to update. Let's hit refresh on this page right here. And you'll notice our subdomain is dropped in here. It's Facebook. If we ever want to edit this or redirect this to another page, we can simply hit edit and edit that domain, that subdomain. So now what's going to happen when we type in http:// facebook.americanpridedomains.us, it will end up at this page. Now this is very, very cool because if you're a small business, working this like this is very, very neat. The only thing you ever really have to update or make any changes to would be, i.e., in case if you're using Social Reflections, update your website page, it automatically updates your Facebook page. This is Forrest over at yellowpagesocial.com, local social made easy with domain forwarding.